Listen, thank you very, very much for listening so far. I've got time for one or two more, but I want to tell you a little bit about this song as well. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What do you mean? Are you having me on? Newcastle's 1-0. Oh, balls to the gig, I'll see you later. Who scored? The whole music thing can wait now. Who scored? Almiron scored? What time's in the game? 15 minutes in? What a belter, man. That's unbelievable. I don't know what I was saying now. Listen, that's unbelievable news, by the way. I've got a smile on my face now. I'm trying to be serious about the album, but... Anyway, so this next song that I'm going to do for you is right. So I'm going to let you into a little bit of like my past with this one, right. So when I was 16, that's when I first really fell in love with music, right. My dad used to have a little battered acoustic guitar, and for whatever reason it was, I picked up that guitar one day and I decided to learn it, and I taught myself everything I know on the guitar. I've never had a music lesson in my life. Not a great guitarist, but I can get by. Do you know what I mean? And then after about 6 months of playing other people's song, I wanted to get involved in writing, and this was the first song that I ever wrote when I was 16. The next 2 years I was writing horrendous songs, but this one stuck, right? So this song, this was the song that first got me a manager. It was the song that first got me a record deal. It was the first song that got me on stages. If it wasn't for this song, I wouldn't be here performing for you tonight. So it's so fitting for me to have my debut album called Waiting for the Rain. This is the title track of said song. So much respect for this song, man. And yeah, if you know the words, sing along. Nice one. That they came, walked in as strangers again, and I never knew you'd feel the pain. Hanging on, don't feel the same, and I wanna try it, and I wanna light it up. Thank you very, very much, guys.